everyone, this is Aya from Hinawi Software. As we can see here, I have the Hinawi Software desktop application opened in front of me, and I'm currently logged in from the admin account just in case we need to go through the settings or any sensitive piece of information. Our main topic for today is regarding the timesheet. I will show you that at the time of creating timesheet, you might have pop-up messages in which it shows you the steps or what you should do, but in case you're still wondering how to solve or how to start creating the timesheet form without having those pop-up messages displayed in front of you, then you have reached the right place. First of all, we click on Create Timesheet, and then we select the company which we want from this file, since it's a multi-company in the HRMS module, as you know, where you can create more than one company in the same file. And then right here you choose the date for timesheet. Usually here it starts from the first day of the month till the last day of the month. Let's see here, it's from let's say today's date, but Thursday, so August 1st 2019 till here the 31st of August 2019. So this is the date, and then we click on view, and then we insert an employee here. So the list which will appear here for you is contains all timesheet employees only. So HR employees will not be showing in this list. So we click on this employee and then we click on enter. This is one message which could show and appear in front of you. It says that there isn't any shift assigned for this employee. Please go to set shift, and then you can create the timesheet for this employee. So we click on don't save those information, and then we go to shifts. This is where we assign shifts. We have to make sure there are locations, projects. The first step is to make sure they're assigned to timesheet in the first place, so that they can appear in the timesheet form. Then we assign the appropriate projects and shifts for them. Okay, so here we choose the date between and to. You have to make sure it's exactly the same date you're using in the timesheet form. So you might assign a shift for this employee, but there's a different date in both windows. So in case when there are different dates in those two windows, you might still not see the employee's shift in the timesheet form. So make sure it's the same date you're going to use. So yes, here we select till the 31st of August 2019, and then we click on filter and add, and then we click on view, then select all and click on OK. For this employee, we're going to assign shift A. Of course, these shifts are already created in the system. There's a different video where it demonstrates for you how to create shifts for employees in the first place, which is from the timesheet settings. In the HRMS settings, there's timesheet setup for that. Afterwards, you click on save, and then records are saved successfully. Now, after this step is done, you go to timesheet and then go to create timesheet. And then again, here we select the same date which we have just seen till the 31st of August 2019 and click on view. Then you go here, you insert an employee and click on this employee and enter. Now, as we can see here, this employee's data is displayed in front of us, where we can choose the status for the employee, whether calculation, yes or no, whether it's calculated or not. We can also here choose the unit type, and we can also see the working from, if there are any customer or job, the projects he or she is working on. We can also set projects from the timesheet menu, where we go to project list, and then the service type, if there are any notes, and tomorrow's plan. Now for this specific employee, it seems that the status of this employee is on leave. So for all these rows we see here in front of us, they're all off days, since he or she has an existing leave created. This is other than the holiday, which is Friday and Saturday, as per current company policy for this company. It might be different according to the company you're using. So it depends whether Friday or Saturday are off days or weekends or not. And here the calculation will be as yes in case the status is not leave, in case it's present. However, if it's leave or holiday, any of them, or absence, the calculation will be no. Of course, we also have units as either hours or days. The unit type, when we select hours, and then the units are 8 units. In this case, 8 units means 8 hours. So that's how it's calculated. So as we see here, it seems that for the entire month, this employee is on leave. That's why this is how you make sure that whether the status is absence or not for this employee, how it's calculated. In case it was present, all you have to do is fill the row successfully. But our main focus and concern for this video is how to even display this employee in the first place in the timesheet without having any pop-up messages showing you that you have to create or set shift for this employee. So now you know that when you see a pop-up message regarding setting the shift, all you have to do is go to the timesheet menu and then assign shift, assign employees to shift, and make sure the date is exactly the same. Date from and between is exactly the same in both places and windows. And that's it. I hope this video was clear, simple, easy, and straightforward. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with everyone interested in our ERP system. And thank you.